I'm Sardor and I'm gonna read you Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Pigs make me sneeze. Gerald, what do you want today? I want yes, a what? A ball, a swim, a hat. True. No. True. Are you okay? I do not know. True. I cannot stop sneezing. Uh-oh. What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softer? What? Sorry. Then, but if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must stay apart forever. But Gerald, do not speak. No, do not speak. It is too late. Phew. Goodbye. Gerald? Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Gerald, great. Now, cats make me sneeze too. Plump. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You're sick. I'm sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. The end.